Bulla, my family, I got something really good to show you guys. This is a totally different trip today. Got my toilet paper, my noodles, my pot to cook my noodles, and some chilies and eggs, and my camera and my underwater camera, and then this camera, my phone. And I'll show you in just a bit where we're going. So this is where we're going, and it looks really good. Not many people have gone to this waterfall before, and we really don't know where it is, and we're just gonna go look for it. Video is from the Instagram Must Do Fiji. They always post things and places you can do and go to. So today we're on the hunt for a new waterfall. These are all our bags for the trip, and we're ready to go. And that's Meli. Yeah. Tuetz walking out here. Give me a pose. We also bought our noodles, but we just realized we can't cook our noodles up there. Why can't we cook up there?
We'll be on the news. Everyone, somebody be close to the car or something.
You two are the smokers. Huh? Yeah.
I think this is the path.
What?
You think? I think.
There's any other path anywhere? No?
Yeah, there's one more down the road. There's one more down the road, and there's another one down there.
So then, but both of them will leave the same place, so.
Hopefully. Okay. Didn't mean to be racist, but Chinese bun.
Right. We are about to enter the path to find this mysterious waterfall. With all our expertise combined, we will never get lost, only go missing. Not many people know about this waterfall, but we'll show it to you guys.
Oh my god, I don't have GPS.
No signal. I'm gonna die. Mga itchen. No what?
Ini apa kon cikum. Oh, you got the iPad? Look in my bag. Oh, okay. I disturb it now. Saya minta please. Tapi dia makin lepas. Baik. It's pretty fucked up when I'm high, but.
We have trekked almost 3 hours in, and just taking a smoke break. I'm drinking my own sweat. Are you still getting reception?
I think so. It says no buzz, but
He's still.
I'm trying. Skra! Mom! Pop, 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 pop.
Shit, man, man's fucking hot.
Boy, that water is gonna be cool. We'll find it. We'll find it. This trek must lead somewhere.
Pessimistic.
Next minute, this is the track that comes out in Wailokwe.
Just said next to the rusty sign.
Yo,
On the left, there should be a path.
on the left. This was the right.
The sign was here.
Left.
Oh.
Next to which sign?
The rusty sign.
The one we came in.
Finally, when I was coming, before you gang, there's one welcome to the Colo-I-Suva Forest Park.
Yeah.
I stopped, looked around. Hey, guys, no there. Give up, go in front.
Ui.
You said next to the sign.
There's a bigger sign at the bottom.
Ui.
Well, let's see.
Right.
I'll go up here,
Or you
Go
could
there.
just go this way here.
up there, out there. So I should start landing when I'm on 40% battery. Tree trunk.
We're about to give the the Mavic's maiden voyage out in the jungles of the Colo-I-Suva. This one you don't need any collaboration or that thing, eh? There's Tuetz and his choir.
There's a new cricket. Sounds electrical. Right. Yeah. Let's not do that again, eh?
We can hear water. I think we're almost there. Either we...
This is to follow the track. It leads straight to the waterfall or has to go off the track? No, straight to the water. No, only the pigeons are the fucking up birds. Pigeons. They actually fucking peck at the...
Pigeon lah.
No, pigeon.
Yeah. Pigeon dia dia.
Pigeons street thugs serta ngalang. Mau putih. Beras. Kerbin. Bin.
Manis.
Fuck, look at
Indigenous.
Hey, is this what you were talking about?
What's it?
Millipede.
Iya. Malam olive. And this
You've seen them before?
No, but smaller ones.
Smaller ones.
Piece on the
And I was growing up
piece in your eye.
tree at the backyard fucking to do full of this.
Gonna get blind.
The dove.
The dove, eh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's not that dove.
Yeah,
Pigeon. So let's go hunting.
they always have hunting seasons. I think end of the year.
I thought it was pigeon.
Pigeon, dove.
Same thing, different spelling.
Yeah, it's down there. My drum. Okay. Yeah. Let's see Tuetz take the route. Third gear. My third gear. Oh fuck, right.
It's about that deep.
Well, you see, I'm a priest, so I'll take the city route. Mga priest. Sounds heavy. I can hear the waterfall. Can you guys hear the water? Oh! Sit.
Nothing broken?
No. What's the kind of Jackie Chan stunt you pull?
No, because my foot. Yeah, that's right. I put the wrong foot down.
Woo! I can see it! Oh, fucking paradise! My paradise! Woo! Oh! Woo! Absolutely worth it. Right, we're about to start a fire to cook our catch of the day. Cheese bun.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. We have the chef here. Chef and tracker. Bring the freeze frame back. Boom.
Salt bait. Salt bait.
Ja se ästä nimi.
Huh?
Ja se ästä. Sen revisi.
Fuck, this spot looks exactly like that spot from the movie Predator. Fucking love that movie. Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper! Salt bay.
Salt bait.
It's onion bay.
Onion bait.
Onion biny. Fuck, we should do this again. Go to Nukulau. Come camp one night.
Okay. We can make waterfall. Shit, man. My head.
Ow. Ow. Oh. Leave, you gonna be the fire starter over here. You gonna be the second runner.
Trying to fly the Mavic, but the birds are trying to capture it, trying to kill it. They think it's another bird.
Enough for boys. Get one big log like this. Yeah. One big log like
Commando the thing.
this. And 3 cheese bun. Hey, be careful here. Fuck. That's all I flick off.
Put kaput.
I don't think those gang who always come on now, they know about that road.
Yeah, true, eh?
The road is just up here now. Fuck. Oh, okay. When I did the white shot, I went up like this. And I see another road just there.
I'm going through Sarawak to shit. Only a few meters.
The road there.
We have our master blower here.
The blower.
Ryssa again to let our grease, to light the fire and boil the water. Again, greasy fuck. Not enough firewood and leaves. Get us up on for come and spray aerosols.
Fuck!
Otherwise,
Go motherfucker. Burn motherfucker.
burn the motherfucker.
Bomba clock burn.
No connection over here. Vodafone still texting me to recharge. I think we should eat the noodle raw.
We didn't start the fire.
Blow, boy, blow. You the master blower.
Stick in my arm. You see that sign there, waterfall ahead. You see that sign there, waterfall ahead.
Noodle soup with hint of charcoal. Smoked noodle soup.
Everybody wants to stop. We hungry.
Hey, it's the man. Amanda, one pizza, please.
Trying to take a picture, but our drone is not cooperation. It's the life. Where?
Chechemon.
The terrain. Whew. Whoa. Well.
I got you, bro. But look at that dirty guy.
On top there. Let's see if we can climb it. We'll see you when we reach the top. We climbed the mountain, the hill. Now, Wiley. Oh. Now, how many more hours? Oi, that's the road.
Fucking shit!
Fuck.
You just come this way!
Mangai.
Only 2 minutes away from the fucking waterfall. So this, that's why there's a waterfall, I mean there's less waterfall.
Yeah.
Because it's probably a dam somewhere on top of waterfall.
Ah.
Collectment! Word for today, kids.
Collectment.
Collectment. Collectment. Noun. Ah, yes. The flora and fauna that's common to Wailoku. Fern.
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Please, may I?
Explosive magazine? And this is the other road to the Wailoku waterfalls. Down that way. And we have reached 2 bridges. Eh? Maybe.
This house down, you come down Wailoku, you cross the bridge, eh?
Yeah, and then you cross the shop, then you cross the school, then you go up again.
Go up.
Yeah.
Other way.
Just past the LDS church.
Yes. I only know the school that's there.
It's the other way.
Oh, the other side.
Yeah, the other way.
Oh.
We didn't take that road, we're gonna take this one. Hey, that's a...
Damn!
Back into the jungle. We've ended up behind someone's backyard. Whew. So Tuetz, what did you think of today's trip?
Freaking awesome, man. We went to a waterfall that we did not even know it's going to be there. Followed the path. I was kind of worried it might be the wrong path, but we got there. We decided to keep on going to places where we don't know. Good adventure, man.
True that, true that.
We followed the road and we followed the creek road kind of thing. Crossed somebody's yard. Found a toy.
Oh, no head.
No head.
Guys, we have found a bus. Hey, where are we right now? What is this? Wailoku, but the other road, eh? There's the bus. We're gonna catch this bus to civilization. end the vlog right here. It was a really good day to go and find a waterfall, and it was a really amazing and beautiful waterfall, and we just can't wait to go back and drink some tang.
Oh, yes.
And relax in the aircon. Make sure subscribe and like button please, so I can find more waterfalls with these crazy motherfuckers. Tuetz and Meli. Until the next vlog. Mother. Oh, wait. Don't forget to also go and like my friend's podcast, What's on Ryssa's Mind. I'll put the description in the link below. She talks about really cool stuff and really good for the 90s kids. She always talks about reminiscing of all the old songs and old days. So please go and listen to her podcast and share her podcast. Alright. Oh. Yeah, oh, so this is our storyboarder.
Yeah. All in the mind.
All in the mind. Alright. Until then, peace.